Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauryne. If this is your first time here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a first impression on the new Pat McGrath foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts, please keep watching. So guys, about this foundation, I've been saving up for it since I heard about it launching. I was planning on getting it from my Sephora, but upon my research, my personal Sephora, my local Sephora wasn't going to be carrying it, so I ended up ordering it offline, and I got the bundle so I could try the powder, foundation, and primer for you guys. But I ordered that on Friday, the day that it launched, and I'm filming this on Friday, and I still don't know anything about my shipment. Like, I haven't gotten an email regarding whether, it has shipped yet. So I ended up going to a different Sephora that's farther away from me to get a sample size so I can get this video out for you guys. There's so many foundations that are being launched this month, so I'm trying to get them out quickly. So for the rest of the foundations that I try this month, they're going to be first impressions, because you can't really do an in-depth review when you're trying so many different things in the same month. So I just wanted to get that disclaimer out there. I went to the Sephora in Perimeter Mall. If you guys are from, they live in the Atlanta area, Lenox and Perimeter Mall have the foundation in store. They have a whole display and everything, and I just got a sample size, so that's what I'm going to be working with today. I got it in the shade medium deep 28, and I was doing all my shade selection online because I wasn't seeing a lot of reviews yet with people my skin tone. And then like a couple of days later, Jackie did a video on it, and she was using medium deep 26 and medium deep 28. So I'm going to start with moisturizing. For this video, for this first impression, I want to do my makeup the way I usually do it, and then when I get all of the products, I want to do it the way Pat, does it, the way she designed the system to work. So I'm just going to go in with my moisturizer. I'm going to be using this one from Drunk Elephant. My skin has been going through it. I don't know what has been going on, but it's probably a telltale sign that I have to clean my brushes or drink more water. I don't drink enough water, I know that. I'm trying to get better at it. So if you want to go to Sephora and get a sample size, it'll come in a little container like this, and they just put a couple pumps in there, so it should be enough for you to try it a couple of days and determine if you like it or not. So again, I got the shade medium deep 28, and on the website it's described as medium deep 28 is a medium deep shade with cool undertones. This color looks like it has a bit more red in it, so it'll help color correct like this darker area. I hope. That's what I'm hoping. So I'm going to go in a little bit. I can't describe what it smells like, but it does smell like something. It's hard to gauge with these how much product you're using, like if you're using a pump worth or something like that. And I'm basically using what's inside this cap. Now I'm going to blend it out with a brush. Now this foundation is a sheer to medium coverage. Pat does a lot of makeup for runway and fashion, so she doesn't really need to have full coverage. So all of us who are into Instagram makeup and stuff are like more coverage, probably won't need this kind of foundation, but for every day, I don't need to have like full out coverage. I like my skin to shine through. So this is what it looks like. It definitely looks like skin. I can still see a bit of my dark marks peeking through, which is fine, but it evened a lot of my, it just made my skin look more even. So I want to go around my mouth and my cheek areas. That's usually where I want the most coverage. I don't mind not having a lot of coverage under my eyes because that's what concealer is for. So I'm just gonna take some, just like around here. But yeah, it doesn't feel like anything. That also said you can, when she was demonstrating, that you can use this, apply this with your hand. The only thing I usually apply makeup with my hands is my concealer when I'm doing no makeup, like makeup days, and blush, just highlight, stuff like that. But I don't usually apply foundation with my hands. Oh yeah, that definitely built up. So if you like a more medium coverage, like I do, this is good. This can be built up. I would say this is probably a pump and a half to 2 pumps. Did I mention how much this foundation was yet? I'm sure everybody knows how much this is, but just in case you don't, it's $68 for the foundation, $60 for the primer, and $55 for the powder. But if you go on her website, actually it's sold out, but if you want to wait for it, I think it was worth it. If you go on her actual website, she has the powder, the primer, and the foundation for $150, whereas if you were to get all of these separately, you would be paying like close to upwards of $200. So yeah, I would recommend looking at the bundle. I don't think anybody would be able to tell that I had makeup on, you know? It just looks like my skin, which I really like. Okay, so I'm gonna pop off and finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is my makeup all done, and I have to say I really like it. I love the way all of the products went on top of the foundation. So now there's going to be the wear test. So it looks really pretty initially, but of course to see whether it's or not it's worth the price is to see how it wears throughout the day. So I'm gonna go. It's currently 3:20 right now, and I usually stay up late, so I'll probably get around 8 hours of wear in this. So I'll do some check-ins and I'll see you then. Hi guys, so it's 5:30, so I've had this foundation on for 2 hours now. I haven't been doing anything extraneous. I've just been editing and filming videos for next week. So yeah, it still looks nice. It's not breaking up or anything yet. It still looks pretty for the 2 hour mark. So I will check back in a couple more hours. Hi guys, so I'm back and it's been a full 8 hours. It's currently 11:15 p.m. and I'm so ready to take these eyelashes off and wash my face and get ready for bed. But yeah, this is what the foundation is looking like. Of course, I haven't touched up or anything today. I usually try to touch up around the 4-hour mark, but I really wanted to show you guys what it looked like without touching up or anything. So I have oily, like combination skin, so normal to oily. So my problem areas are usually around my forehead and my nose, and as you can see, my nose is pretty shiny at this point, but the rest of it looks pretty. Like on my cheeks, I don't think anything has faded or anything, so it's still on. It doesn't feel heavy. It didn't like get tight or anything like that. I do want to blot on camera for you guys to see if I could touch it up and wear it for a couple more hours. After blotting, I think it still looks really pretty. I think I could wear it for a couple more hours, but I'm not gonna wear it for a couple more hours. I'm beat. I have church in the morning, so I wanna go to bed. I think after powdering it would look good too, but of course, since this is a satin finish, the product did transfer once I blotted. So like if you have a foundation, like if you're going throughout the day and you need to touch up, I would suggest bringing a powder foundation so that has coverage in it and just touch up that way. All in all, I think this is a beautiful product. Is it worth $68? I have to see, I have to continue to wear it, and I want to see how it performs with the rest of the products. Also, like there are a bunch of other foundations that are on the market that are like from NARS and even from the drugstore. My L'Oreal foundation is really pretty. It has the same skin-like finish, so I wouldn't 100% say you need this. You need to go broke to get this product. Of course, I'm all for supporting Black women businesses and companies, so that's why I personally wanted to support this launch. But and it is a beautiful product, but if you know you can't afford it, just save up for it and buy it. Like, it's not going anywhere. Just wait and buy it. But I will be doing another video again using the whole system, and I hope you stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment what foundation you would like to see me review next. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.